my future billionaires? It's your girl, Tarisha. Welcome back, Billionaire Game. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up and also comment down any additional information that you guys may want me to talk on. Listen, guys, I am super excited for this video simply because I want to put some money into your pocket. I am talking about 3 of the top 3 credit cards for 2023 first quarter when it comes to 0% APR on credit cards. Now, for those of you who may know, when you have a credit card, you normally have to pay a variable interest rate, right? Where let's say your total bill is $100 and the interest is 24%. After everything is said and done, you may have to pay $40 a month, right? Because you're paying not only the $100 that you spent, but you're also paying the interest on that $100, and it can be spread across a long realm, which you never want to get into, but you're able to carry a balance. But if you carry the balance, you will then have to pay interest. For these cards, it doesn't matter if you had $10, $20, $30,000 on one specific card, you're only going to be paying the minimum payment with no interest. So this is how people buy houses, buy cars, get into investments and flip the money and run the play over and over and over again, this is how you legally can rob a bank. So I'm going to show you guys how to legally rob a bank today with 0% interest. That way you can get some money in your pocket and start creating some passive income, or just having some extra money in your pocket for some debt consolidation, okay? So the very first card is going to be your City Diamond Preferred card. Now, guys, normally cards with balance transfer offers and 0% APR offers, when it comes with the balance transfer, they are not going to give you rewards. But one of the cards that I will talk about will be giving you rewards. But the City Diamond Preferred credit card gives you 0% interest for 12 months on all purchases. So no matter where you purchase, you have 12 months straight of 0% interest. Now, this is how you can turn some credit into cash. On balance transfers, you get 21 months straight of 0% interest. So you literally can do a balance transfer from one high balance credit card that you're paying interest on and transfer that debt to the City Diamond Preferred card, and now you're paying 0% interest, okay? Or you can ask for a balance transfer check, and that's how you can make that check out to you and do what have you with it. Now, of course, this is for people who want to do investments and things like that. I do not condone you turning this credit into cash and going to buy a Birkin bag, Louis Vuitton, Cartier, whatever it is. Let's be smart with our decisions, okay? So again, no rewards. They do give you early access to like concerts, to basketball games, certain dining experiences and things like that. I actually have this card and I haven't utilized the early access, but I do get notifications when it comes to early access. I believe Beyonce, I was able to get Beyonce tickets early if I were to use that card. So that is the first card. Card number 2 is the Bank of Mary credit card. That's Bank of America. It's actually the white card. I'll pin it right here so you can see. They actually give you 0% interest on both balance transfers and all purchases for 21 months. This card, again, it does not have any rewards at all, but 21 months, guys, of being able to have 0% interest and being able to catch up on bills, right? Being able, again, to like invest, that is a game changer. Imagine if you got all 3 of these cards. That is insane. Let's say you get $10,000 per card. That's $30,000 of 0% interest anywhere from 18 to 21 months. That is insane. Now, the last card, guys, may seem the most appetizing simply because it not only has 0% interest, but it also has rewards, right? The 0% interest is a little bit shorter versus the Bank of Mary credit card. This is 0% interest for 18 months on both purchases and balance transfers, right? So not only do you get that, but you also get 1% unlimited cash back on all purchases. Every quarter, you get up to $2,500 every quarter on your selected category. And that selected category, you get 3% cash back on that. And then 2% up to $2,500 again per quarter on wholesale stores. So like Costco, BJ's, Sam's Club, and your grocery stores, right? So your Acme, your Publix, like wherever you're going, that's a grocery store. Safeway, all these places, you get unlimited 2% cash back up to $2,500 per quarter. However, once you reach that threshold, you're then able to get 1% cash back on all of those cards. To take it a step further, which make things very, very cool, if you're a preferred rewards member, you could get up to 3.75 to 5.25% cash back. So imagine being able to go to the grocery store or your selected category and you're getting 5% cash back on your purchase. That is insane. Now, of course, there's a cap again up to $2,500, but still you can reach your cash back quicker in the event that you're not a heavy spender, right? So These are 3 cards. So just to recap, you got your City Diamond Preferred. That's 0% interest on all purchases for 12 months and then balance transfers for 18 months. Then you have the Bank of Mary credit card, right? That's 0% interest on both balance transfers and purchases for 21 months. Then the last one where you actually do get rewards is your Bank of America customized cash rewards credit card. That is 0% interest for 18 months on both balance transfers and purchases. If you guys have any questions, now for all 3 of these cards, you do have to have at least good credit. So again, all these cards that I'm listing, make sure you're at least a 670. I always say 680, but you can get away with 670. I believe on the website it actually says 660. But in order to have a nice strong limit, and in order to, you know, make sure that you're basically going to get approved, make sure you have at least a 680 credit score. Don't have collections on your account. If you have trade lines on your account, like authorized users, that is definitely going to help. But these are 3 cards that can help get you to the next level, guys. And remember, as always, when you are using this credit, remind yourself that it is credit and there is a expiration where you will start paying interest. So make sure you are using these credit cards accordingly, because it could literally make or break you. Again, make sure you turn on the post notification bell. That way you guys are notified for all the bangers that I'm putting out. I always want to continue being able to put money into my billionaire gang's pockets. Again, welcome to the squad. If you made it to the end of this video, guys, I appreciate and love each and every one of you. You are a billionaire. Make sure you know that. If you need any help with funding or getting your credit repaired, text this number right above. Text funding if you need funding. Text credit repair if you need credit repair. Again, I do business and personal funding, okay? So with that being said, I love you guys. We out.